Now we get familiar with the different data visualization tools available with Tabloo. For that, we need to create a different sheet. On the bottom there is a sheet option. We click on that sheet. You will be able to get a space screen like this. On the left side we have different dimensions and measures. We could see that whatever the different titles or the column names of the Excel sheet has been divided into two parts, dimensions and the measures. Dimensions involve city, man of the match, match date, match ID, team A, team B, winner. The measures contain average runs by team A, average runs by team B, highest runs, highest viewership, highest wickets, and in addition some standard other measures as well, which are part of every data set. Here we try to use some information, and based on that we try to see what are the different options we could be able to have. For that, let us take the highest viewership to the columns. You could see the highest viewership, sum of all the values is taken. And suppose we take the man of the match to the row. By default we will be able to get a horizontal bar chart like this. Then if you look at the right top, here we have an option called show me. Just click that. This provides the different visualization options available in Python. Let us explore one after the other. First one, when we use the first one, which is nothing but the text tables, we could be able to see the man of the match on one column and the respective viewership in the next column. That means we have the table. Let us see the next one. On the right side we have the heat maps. This gives the same information in a heat map format. The size of that map shows the viewership. Smaller the size, smaller viewership, and higher the size, higher viewership. The next one, we have the highlight tables. These numerical values are highlighted through different shades of color, and by having more intensity, more darker shade, it gives larger values, and lighter shade provides smaller viewership. And some of the diagram may not be working with this data. The next is nothing but the pie chart. We could be able to have a pie chart corresponding to the data set where we have two columns, that means man of the match and the viewership taken. Next, we have already seen, that is the horizontal bars, which gives the man of the match through different rows, and the respective bars shows the value of the viewership when these players become the man of the match. Next we have the stacked bars. We'll have side by side stars and tree maps. The tree maps provide another way of visualizing the data. You could see that the whole area is nothing but the total viewership, and the player who could be able to bring more viewership, or the player who become the man of the match and who could be able to bring larger viewership, is Mayank Agarwal, occupies a much bigger space in the respective the tree maps. The next Jasprit Bumrah, next Shubman Gill, next etc. Therefore lowest one is nothing but the Rishabh Pant, who is in this data shows that when Rishabh Pant became the man of the match, the viewership was this amount. Similarly, we could be able to have other visualization tools as well. And here we have the box and whisker plot. This gives an idea about what is the lowest value of the high viewership and the highest value of viewership, and also corresponding to each of the play when man of the match was declared, what was the respective value of the highest viewership. And this will give an idea about the range of viewership. This is the lowest value, that means 5,61,000 plus, and here we had the upper value, and this value corresponding to the first quartile, this value corresponding to the upper quartile, and also it provides the median value. And also we can have other format. This is nothing but a packed bubbles, then more the size of the bubble, that much more viewership the data convey. Therefore you could be able to see Mayank Agarwal, here the highest viewership, then other players also could be able to bring the respective value of the viewership. Therefore this gives an idea about what are the different data visualization options available with Tabloo. Depending upon the data we have, we could be able to experiment with different such techniques. Thank you.